Better 5 and welcome to our fun 80s dance aerobic step class for beginners. So before we get started, a few quick notes about the step here. Whenever you go to take a step, make sure you put your full foot on in the middle, and that will help prevent it from sliding out from underneath you, as well as making sure you have it on a nice non-slippery surface. Again, when you're using the step, you want to make sure that you adjust it to your ability, so you can change the intensity by adjusting the risers. If you add more risers, it's harder. If you take away the risers, it gets a little easier. But like always, you can do all of these things on the ground as well if you feel like the step might be too much. I'm just a guide. Follow along as best you can, and when in doubt, if you lose the music or lose me, just march it out and find that beat. Alrighty, when you're ready, let's get started with our warm-up. Alright everyone, we're gonna start off in our warm-up. We're gonna march with that right leg. I'm your mirror. Here we go, right. Feel the beat with the march. Good job. Reset that posture a little bit. Crown of the head pulling to the ceiling. Belly button to spine. Widen through those collarbones. Good posture here. All right, we're going to switch it up. We're going to tap with the right foot. Go tap and then switch. Good. As we go through our class, make sure you're monitoring your intensity. So during the warm-up, we want to be able to talk, but not sing. All right, we're going to do a double tap here. Starting with the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, go right, right, left, left. Good job. Warming up our joints, reducing our risk of injury. We also get to practice going to the beat and rehearsing a few of our moves. All right, when you're ready, we're gonna take a full step up. So remember to get that full foot on the step. 5, 6, 7, 8, go right. Good job. All right, changing it up here. We're gonna do a step up and 2 half jacks. Looks like this. Step up, down, down, jack, jack. Good job. Up, up, down, down, jack, jack. Last but not least, hamstring curl. Step, curl, down, down. So you're kind of stepping to those corners, pulling the back foot up. Step, curl, down, down. Left, right, left, right. Nice work. All right, we're gonna bring it back to a march here. 5, 6, 7, march it out, go right. Good job. All right, I hope you're feeling nice and warm. Grab some water if you need, and then we're gonna get into our cardio. See you there. All right, everyone. Let's get into our exercises. As we're going through, take breaks throughout whenever you need. We're gonna start off marching with that right foot. Find the beat. Go right, left, right, left. Good job. As we go through our class, you can take breaks and modify. Grab water. Remove the step if it's too hard. And the intensity, you should be able to speak, but maybe not say a couple sentences. All right, we're doing adding on style. So I'm gonna keep adding on moves, but after we add on, we're gonna go right back to the beginning of our block. Okay, move number one, we're gonna step up with the right foot. Here we go. Up, up, down, down. Good job, just like in our warm-up, that basic step up. Right, left, down, down. Okay, I think you got the hang of it. We're gonna add on another move. We're gonna step up and drive the knee. Go, step, drive. Right, drive, left, step, down, step, down. Good job. All right, we're gonna take it to the top with that step up, right foot. Good job. Right, left, down, down. All right, move number two, step up with the knee drive. Right, left, right, left. Good job. Alrighty, I think you're getting the hang of these. We're gonna add in move number three. It's gonna be a V step. You can watch and then join in when you're ready. Step wide, 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 down, down. Wide, wide, down, down. Just like that basic step, but wide and then narrow. Right, left, in, in. Good job. Taking it to the top. Step up, right, left. Good. Move number two. Step, drive the knee, right, drive, left. Good job. All right, bring it to the V step, right foot, wide, wide, narrow, narrow. Good work. Alrighty. We're gonna add on here. March it out, follow along, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this next move, move number 4, we're gonna step with the opposite leg first. So instead of the right, we're gonna step with the left. We're gonna do a hamstring curl with our right foot 3 times. Looks like this. Step, curl, 2, 3, down, down, right. Good. Left, 2, 3, down, down, right. Curl, 2, 3, join in. Down, down. Good job. All right, crew, we're gonna bring it back to the top. Basic step up, 5, 6, right foot. We're gonna go through the whole thing. Stepping with the knee drive. Step, drive. Right and left. Good work. V-step, a 5, 6, right foot. Wide, wide, in. All right, stepping with that left foot, curling with the right. Here we go. Left, curl, 2, 3, down, down, right, curl. 2, 3, good job. I hope you're having fun. We're gonna take the whole thing from the top, but we're gonna change it up. We're gonna lead with that left leg. 5, 6, left foot, step up. March it out. If you lost me, don't worry about it. Join in when you're ready. Left, right, down, down. All right, left foot, drive the right knee. Drive, drive, left, right. Good job. V-step, starting with the left. Wide, wide, narrow, narrow. Doing so good. We're gonna bring it back to move number 4. This time stepping with the right, curling with the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, curl, 2, 3, down, down. Good job. Bring it back to a march. 5, 6, march it down. Nice job. All right. Those were our exercises. Absolutely crushed it. When you're ready, we're gonna get into our cool down. Grab some water if you need, or keep it marching. All right, everybody. Getting into our cool down. Let's just march it out to get our heart rate back down. Right, left. You don't need the step for this, so you can push it off to the side or just take a step away from it behind. All right, little side step to the right and left. Just moving slow, getting our heart rate back down before we do our static stretches. Okay, we're gonna tap back with our right foot. Here we go. Tap and tap. Okay, bring it back to a march. A 5, 6, right foot. Right, left. Side steps, going to the right. Tap back with the toe, right foot, and left. Back to a march, right, left. All right, I hope your heart rate has started to come down a little bit. Breathing rate has started to return to normal. You should be able to talk. Maybe not sing quite yet, but you're on your way. When you're ready, you can stop marching. We're gonna get into some static stretches, taking a step back with one foot, pressing that heel towards the floor, bending into the front leg, stretching out our calf here. Take long, deep breaths, filling the bottom of your lungs full of air. Good. When you're ready, take a step forward, step back with that other foot. Good. When you're ready, you're gonna step forward, you're gonna stretch out our quads. So you can reach for one foot, draw the knees together. If it feels too tough, you can grab a towel, loop it around your foot, and hold onto the back of that towel. And when you're ready, switching sides, you can stay in these stretches for longer than me if you wish to do so. Gently drawing the knees together, pressing the hips forward. Good. And slowly bringing that leg down. We're gonna get our hamstrings. Last but not least, you can use the step for this if you'd like. Put one foot on the step, hinge from the hips, send your butt back. Leaning forward, you should feel a stretch through your hamstring. Point of tension, not pain. When you're ready, slowly come up, switch sides, sending those hips back. Long, deep breath. And when you're ready, slowly come up. Reach those arms out to the side. Give yourself a high five. Great job today, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me in our fun 80s dance aerobics step class for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I'll see you in day 2.